Mouse cursor too large after reboot in Windows 11. Here's a quick fix. Windows 11, big mouse pointer, display issue, cursor size problem. Solution 1. Adjust display scaling. First, right-click on the Windows Start menu. Then click on Settings. Now go to System. And then choose Display from the left menu. Scroll down to the Scale option. Click the drop-down and make sure you select 100%. Recommended. This ensures your display elements, like the mouse cursor, appear normal after a reboot. Solution 2. Update display driver. Right-click on the Windows Start menu again. This time, click on Device Manager. In the list, find and expand display adapters. Now right-click on your display driver and click on Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let it find any updates. When it's done, click on Close. Now right-click on the Start menu again and restart your PC to apply the changes. Solution 3. Run Device Diagnostic Tool Search for CMD in the Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted. Now type this command: msniet.exe space dash id space devicediagnostic and press Enter. A window will open. Click Next to begin the scan. Let it finish detecting and fixing any device-related problems. Solution 4. Reset mouse pointer settings. Search for Control Panel and open it. In the top right, change view by the large icons. Now click on Mouse. In the Mouse Properties window, go to the Pointers tab. Click on Use Default, then click Apply, and finally OK to save changes. Final step, check for Windows updates. Right-click on the Start menu. Click on Settings, then go to Windows Update. Make sure your system is up to date. Updates can often fix display bugs like this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.